Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and location and enabling quick share or nearby sharing on both devices. Once done, open the file, photo, or folder you want to send and tap the share icon. You will see quick share in the share sheet. Select it. Make sure the receiving device is unlocked and visible. This first step connects the devices and reveals recipients nearby, so you can choose the correct device quickly and avoid sending to the wrong contact. You then pick the receiving device from the quick share list that appears. Look for the correct device name and icon. Once you tap it, ask the recipient to accept the incoming transfer. They may be prompted to allow files or choose to receive originals or lower quality copies. While the transfer runs, keep both devices close and avoid switching networks. If you see a progress indicator, wait until it reaches 100% before opening the file to ensure the transfer finished intact. Finish by confirming the file saved and opened correctly on the receiving device, typically in downloads or photos. If the transfer fails, first move devices closer and toggle Bluetooth and location off then on. Once done, retry the share. Make sure both devices remain unlocked during retries. If problems persist, restart both phones and check for quick share or system updates, and then try again. This sequence fixes most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.